select the probe. Select the solutions. Most commonly S3Mg. Okay.
It's a bit stable.
You should see some millivolts. So that's the ions picking up, the sensors picking up the charge of the ions. Okay, so now go to calibrate. So the first time you do this, you'll have to condition. Okay, so just go condition, follow the instructions, put it into solution. Okay, we normally use the case as a holder for the solutions. It makes it very stable. Press OK. Yep. Have you pressed OK? Okay, so the conditioning is finished. You can see on the screen it says no valid calibration because the probe needs to be calibrated, just like pH, it needs to be calibrated. So you can see from the instructions, I'm just following the instructions. Okay?
Dry this.
So make sure you dry the probe so there's no drips getting carried across. And then to calibrate, press calibrate. Put it in solution 1, which is the low solution. And then press go.
Okay.
Press OK. And then that will take 1 minute. So the minute should be nearly up. Okay, now it says put it in solution 2. Again. Put it into the second solution, number 2, the middle one. And then press OK. Wait another minute. So now you can see the calibration for stage 2 is finished. Now we're going to move it into solution 3. Take the probe out again, dry off its tip. And OK. Okay, it should be nearly done. Here we go. So now the calibration results come up. What the screen means is if you're drawing a graph and you got a straight line, then the R square is 1. The closer to 1 the better. If it's not 1 or close to 1, it will turn orange or red. Red is bad, orange is okay, green is the best. The values next to M stands for the slope of the curve. Should be negative for the negative ions, chloride and nitrate, positive for everything else. The lower the number gets, the older the probe, but don't worry too much about these for now. Now we're ready to take a sample. Again, remember not to carry over drips because it will contaminate your sample or the preceding event. Sample, so we're going to go to the second tab on the app, take new test. For this example, we're just going to use the middle solution of the calibration solutions because we know the values. Press the take new test button. Okay. Insert probe into solution. That's already done. Okay. Go ahead. Now it will take a minute again. 1 minute, 60 seconds exactly. So you'll see the results appear on the screen. And there you go. You can always compare that to the back of the bottle of the calibration solution 2. Should be similar if everything's gone well. And that's it. Then when you're finished, take the probe out. Okay, take the probe out. and then rinse it in some deionized water. Okay, and then you're done. You can take another sample. If you tap on the location label, you can write in the location, like greenhouse 1 or whatever, or lab 1. And the same for notes, you can write down some notes, you know, crop type or whatever. You can also change the pH, you can add in EC information if you know it, from an EC probe, or, you know, and you can add notes. And then that's all saved in the file. Okay? And then to look at your data, go to history, and then you'll see the history there with the notes. That's it.